Here we are with the navigator, Goretie. So, Goretie, we've just done the first 2 stages. What did you think of them?
Great, they were fast stages.
And you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
It's getting used to it again, isn't it? Because we've got a total contrast of speeds compared to what you're used to.
That's it. And when we went out on the Mighty Micra for recceing, you're not really going that speed.
Yeah.
So it was a difference, but you had some nice handbrakes in there.
Yeah, bit of practicing.
Yeah.
Because we've got the handbrake awards later on, so we've got a few corners where they're doing the testing. But yeah, so you've been navigating for me for, is it a year and a half? 2 years?
2 years now, I think, yeah.
Blimey. So what made you want to get into navigating?
Well, my friend Ashley did it at the time, and then she mentioned that someone was looking for a navigator. At first I was hesitant, because I was like, oh, and then when I met you, I was like, okay, yeah, this will work, like, I can't wait to get into it, and then I've loved it ever since.
Yeah, and you really, I remember the first rally, the first rally we did, you were very nervous, weren't you?
I was very nervous.
Bovington, it was straight at the deep end,
Yeah.
and we left the start line and it was straight up to like 100 miles an hour or something. But after, you just settled straight in and loved it, and yeah, got the hang of it, and you're just getting, and for someone who's never done it before, you picked it up very quickly.
It's a shame with last year, because I was very ill, so I felt like this year I had to make amends for last year.
Well, yeah, because you had the flu last year, didn't you?
And I lost my voice at the night stage, and at one point I was like, drive as you can see.
Yeah, it was a tricky, and the intercom, I had the old helmet, I couldn't really hear what you were saying anyway, so I had no faith. Hang on.
Are you okay?
Oh, sorry. Well, your turn later, okay? Yeah, so it was all going wrong last year, wasn't it? And I did struggle to hear. But we sort of sussed it out with Bovington, with you shouting.
Yes.
And then I brought a new helmet, and that
yeah.
seemed to make it better.
Yeah, that helmet seems to be great.
It's really good. I can really hear. You get what you pay for. It wasn't cheap, but and I've done the wheels because I always do the retorque them. I'm just glad we've settled it in and done the first 2 stages, so we can start enjoying it now.
Yeah.
We'll have a catch up later.
Absolutely.
All right, thank you, Goretie. And look, we've got Strictly Shauno.
Shauno on the case.
Then we've got Strictly Tim. Hello. And we've actually got Strictly here, who's got Urmston.
Awesome Raceway representing.
Where's your Strictly top, Andy?
Oh, you can't afford one.
It's giving more away.
Yeah.
Everyone else got. And Shauno's got his name on it.
Yeah.
Whoa. Is that a new thing? Everyone's got one.
£6 that costs. £6 extra.
So we've had a problem with the exhaust. This is the exhaust of the rally car, and it started making really bad vibrating noises. I probably won't be able to rally tomorrow with our car, but I'll give it a go. So Andy's kindly offered to weld it up, and it is. What time is that?
12.
12.
You've got a little knocking stick, mate.
A little hammer.
Yeah. Just we'll top it in a bit there. What's that noise?
Got a gas leak. Hang on.
Well, yeah, she's all good, mate.
He's doing the stirring. I'm not inviting me. I had that one before. And it broke, so I thought I'd give that one a go. And, blinding job.
Literally.
Yeah. Andy's done a lovely job on the silencer. He's taken the Mighty Micra and gone to the hotel now because it's 12:30. I'm on fire watch duty, so I'm just going to give it 5 minutes, make sure nothing ignites. We've had all sorts on the floor in here. So, and then I'm going to get to park firmly early and stick it back on. Well, hopefully Andy will come back and stick it back on.